DSG Signs and Graphics Incorporated is a Southern California-based design and manufacturer sign fabricator specializing in comprehensive solutions for all types of signage and graphic projects. With over 24 years of experience in all types of signage displays, DSG Signs and Graphics Incorporated is prepared to handle all of your visual branding needs. We are flexible in our ability to provide everything from small single signs to large and complex signage projects, including the design, production of channel letters, monument signs, large format digital printing, architectural signs, custom water fountain, custom acrylic countertop, sneezing guards, custom cabinet, LED signs, and LED lighting solutions, and more. Our wide range of experience allows us to have success within special zone projects and Pacific in all coastal areas in California. Having acquired expert knowledge in the industry, the DSG Signs Graphics team has developed the ability to think creatively, problem solve, and value engineer, all to the benefit of our clients' sign, project, and bottom line. Additionally, at the heart of our company is a can-do attitude. For you, we understand the importance of your signage and visual brand and are committed to helping you build your image for success. Overview of acrylic countertop sneezing guards and TP Pro Shields. In the light of the coronavirus, COVID-19, we are seeing a significant jump in demand for acrylic sheets in sneezing guards. Therefore, we designed and manufactured acrylic shield countertop sneezing guards and TP Pro Shields product. These easy to assemble. Freestanding acrylic countertop sneezing guards and TP Pro Shields protect retail workers from infections, droplets, and customer sneezes and coughs. Acrylic countertop sneezing guards and TP Pro Shields are used in convenience stores, nail salons, pharmacies, urgent care centers, and other public sites are using these shields to protect workers from spray and airborne spread of the virus. Polycarbonate acrylic is strong, thickness material and easily cleaned with warm soap and water, acetone, or glass cleaner. Transparent for easy visibility and 50% the weight of glass. It also easily assembled on site. Just slide 3 pieces together. During the coronavirus outbreak, protective virus shields have become mandatory in some states for retail environments.